Is it started? Hey, yo guys, what's up? I am back doing another video. It's your boy, Spiky Pineapple 72. Make sure, before we get into this video, I want you to make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like the video. I haven't been doing real well. Yeah. Okay. Oh! Oh!
Got it! Got it, boy! No, not today, amigo. Not today.
I don't know. Okay. Before we get into this video, we're doing a Nerf war. Just so you guys know, we're doing a Nerf war. I am currently in a tree.
And I'm currently in the ground.
He's currently on the ground. I took the tree from him.
No,
Well, he got out of the tree, and I said, "Hey, wait up, so I can get in the tree." And he waited.
This
and
is the nicest Nerf.
Yeah, this is like the nicest Nerf war ever. Cause I asked him to hand me bullets. He handed me some bullets. So yeah.
Bruh, that used to be me on my old YouTube channel.
So we are in this big old field. There's an Oscar right there. There's a wild Oscar.
Ah! You know that's a fish, right? You're gonna kill a fish! Ow!
So, oh! Hey, I was getting you back for earlier when you shot me in the stomach.
Yeah.
Yeah, hand me that bullet.
No.
Yes.
Go get it. You go.
No, I'm too lazy. I don't want to get back. I don't want to get back in the tree.
This is a Nerf war, and you're pointing the camera to the wrong direction.
Oh God, there's like ants in this tree.
For real.
That's really bad. Okay, I'm gonna toss that down.
Oh, how did I miss? Oh my God.
Man.
Oh, crap. How do I get down?
How did I even get up here?
For real.
That's my question. How the heck did I get up here?
Oh, there's a bullet. There's another bullet.
Hey, should I just like drop down?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. Oh. I totally meant to do that, y'all. Yeah, he did. He totally did.
Oh,
Wow.
Okay, here you go.
Thanks.
That's actually
There's that tree that we were climbing. Yeah, there's the wild Oscar that I shot in the butt. Oh.
You hit me right here in the thigh.
Oh, I hit him in the thigh right there. Dude, my camera's upside down. No,
He's
no.
gonna get shot.
Oh,
Stop.
you need to chill.
I know.
Chill.
Crap.
Dude, you ain't no Frosty. Oh, you shot me in my pecs.
Crap, keep on forgetting. Hey, people.
Okay. Hey, no. I'm leaving you. Bye. I'm going home. I'm leaving. Bye.
Hey, Cameron.
I dipped. Now we will observe the wild Oscar in his habitat. You can't shoot that far, mate. Yeah. No. I know I am. Hey.
Hang on a minute. Hey, come here. Sweetie. I want you to come meet Oscar's friend Cameron. Right now, he's about to leave. That's Cameron. This is Oscar's mom, Kiki.
Hey.
Miss Kiki.
Hi.
Miss Kiki. Hey.
You have the same bike as Oscar, don't you?
Yeah. Except my brakes are gone.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
You take them off or did they?
No, my bike keep falling. I'm clumsy. Yeah. you too.
You leaving?
Yeah.
Come on, Selena.
Oscar, I met your mom. I met your mom. Yeah. What? Yeah. Oh. Dude, quit shooting me like that, bro. That's why I'm leaving.
I have both guns and I'll make you. Hey, can you get the bullets?
No. Give me so. You're the one that shot him at me. Hey, Will.
Oh, look, it's them.
Yeah. Man. Just imagine. Just imagine I could do this.